A brilliant star that once reached out to the cosmos has quietly dimmed. Dr. Jayant Vishnu Narayakar, the visionary astrophysicist, celebrated author, and tireless science communicator, passed away peacefully in his sleep at his residence in Pune today. He was 86 years old. His passing marks the end of an era in Indian science, leaving behind a luminous legacy that bridged galaxies and inspired generations. Born on July 19, 1938 in Kolhapur, Dr. Narayakar came from a family steeped in academics. His father, Professor Vishnu Vasudev Narayakar, was a renowned mathematician and the head of mathematics at Banaras Hindu University, and his mother, Sumati Vishnu Narayakar, was a respected Sanskrit scholar who nurtured his thirst for knowledge early on. After completing his high school in Varanasi, he pursued science and later went on to the Cambridge University in UK, where he earned his BA, MA and PhD, all with distinction. Along the way, he collected accolades such as the Wrangler's title, the Tyson Medal in Astronomy, and the Smith's Prize. Dr. Naraykar's scientific journey was nothing short of extraordinary. His collaborations with legendary Sir Fred Hoyle led to the groundbreaking conformal gravity theory, a bold attempt to rethink the structure of the universe. His pioneering contributions earned him India's highest civilian awards, the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan. Yet Dr. Narayakar's mission extended far beyond academic halls and observatories. He was a passionate advocate for popular science, weaving wonder into every word. Through books like Antaratil Bhasmasur, Akashashi Zadle Nate, and Suryacha Prakop, he brought the cosmos into homes and hearts of readers. His Marathi autobiography, Char Nagaratil Maze Vishwa, won the Sahitya Academy Award, while Yakshachi Dengi bagged the Maharashtra Government Award. His literary works earned him international recognition too, including a Lifetime Achievement Award for Literature from a foundation in the USA and the Rashtra Bhushan Award from FIE Foundation in Ichalkaranji. Dr. Narayakar's literary oeuvre spans both fiction and non-fiction. His stories brought time machines, alien civilization, and cosmic mysteries into everyday parlance, always with scientific accuracy and childlike curiosity. In his passing, India loses not just a scientist but a storyteller of stars, a torchbearer of reason, and a bridge between galaxies and generations. Dr. Narayakar is no longer with us, but his ideas and imaginations continue to soar across the universe, just like the stars he loved so dearly. Stay tuned for more such informative content. I am Anam Sheikh from Pune Times Mirror.